Hi guys, so here are the ingredients that we are going to be using for our broccoli and shrimp stir fry. I'm going to list everything and I'll leave it in the description box below, so please check it out if you want to make this recipe. So now I'm going to be spicing my shrimps. I'll add 1 egg, then I'll add the cornstarch. I'll mix everything together properly, and I'll sprinkle some lemon juice and I'll set it aside. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to you all guys for your support, for your kindness, for your encouragement guys. I so much appreciate. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and please share my video also. So I'm going to be chopping my spring onion and the garlic. So in my bowl, I'm going to be making the sauce that we are going to use for our stir fry. Now I'll add some olive oil, soy sauce, chili pepper, spring onion, salt, and some cornstarch. I'm just going to mix everything together properly, then I will set it aside for later. In my frying pan, I'm going to be adding butter and olive oil. Then I'll add my garlic. I'm just going to be sauteing my garlic for just 1 minute because I don't want my garlic to get burned. If not, your food will be bitter. I'm adding the shrimps. I'm going to cook the shrimp for just 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook your shrimps. The shrimps is ready. I'm going to set it aside. In my pot, I'm just going to add half tablespoon of baking soda into the water. Then I'll add the broccoli. I'm going to cook this broccoli for just 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook your broccoli, because I want mine to be crunchy. So now our broccoli is ready. I'm just going to sieve the water out of it, and I'll on the cold water to cool the broccoli so that I can stop the cooking process. In my frying pan, I will be adding some olive oil, and I'll add my garlic. I'll saute for 1 minute, then I'll add my broccoli. I'm just going to stir fry the broccoli. I don't want it to be too soft. As I said before, I want mine to be crunchy. So now I'll be adding the sauce we made before for the broccoli. I'm not going to be adding all of them because I don't want the liquid to be too much so that the broccoli will not be too soft. I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So I've been cooking the broccoli for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the shrimps. When you add your shrimps, I'm just going to cook it for just 1 minute. then our stir fry is ready. So if you've watched to this minute, thank you so much, and God will bless you. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video to all your families and friends, and also remember to hit that notification bell. In that way you'll never miss any of my videos. I love you all. Bye.